So while trying to take a video of the Corolla Altis GR Sport, I happened to see on display, on the stock, the Alphard. This just arrived, have not been PDI, but I decided to take the video now because I'm not sure if I come back tomorrow, if this unit will still be here. Since this is very in demand and there's a long list, no? Baka pagbalik ko na benta na to, so I'm sorry. I will take a video of this as it is, no? So at least you can see what the Alphard 2022 model looks like. Okay, so as what we have been doing always, we will walk around. We will walk around this new Alphard. Okay, you would notice it has not been washed because the car carrier just deliver it, no? And there's still all the stickers. Okay. Okay, but we have to take this video because I don't know whether this one, how many days will it be here? And when I come back, maybe this is sold already. So now that we have finished going around, we will look at the headlight. Okay, very nice headlight. Okay, there's a fog light here, sensor, and of course, the best looking front grille that we can see. Okay, next thing that oh, look here, there's a running light and the fog light. There's another light here. We will see what function. I still have to read the manual, no? And we will put it on the video later on. So as I said, this just arrived and the tire still covered. And as what we've been doing, we always open this so when you could see it, no? So we will open it. Okay, so the front tire, we will look at the specs. And where is it? It's here, 235/50R18. Okay, this is the mag wheel, front disc brake, this is the outside rear mirror. Of course, the rear is also disc brake. Very nice tail light. There's a V6 sign here, which is covered, no? They still cover it because in order to protect the chrome. There are sensors here, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So moving on, let's try to open it and look at the space inside. So this is, there are 2 seats at the back, then 2 on the middle and 2 in front. Okay, so what we got here, cup holder for you to put your things here, and also this one here. There's a light here. Okay, fuel tools is here. This is the cover. So it's supposed to be like this, but we will not touch it because I think they will still check on the tools. And there's another light over here. So this is the rear space, no? And then okay, I'm still curious, I'm sorry. And I'm also inspecting the unit. Oh, there is a sunscreen here. Okay, you clip on top. Okay, for both sides. And then there's a light over there. Okay, so we will go to the first rear seat so we could see more. And this one can be moved up. You know, there's a way to do it. Okay, so instruction is here. Now let's close this and let us go to the rear seat, no? Okay. Okay, automatic door. And look at that. What a beautiful leather trim. Okay, and here also I notice you can control the seat. There's an aircon for the seat, no? You could control the reclining over here. And leg room, no question about it. You have the best, biggest leg room. Okay. And also, look, you can control the passenger, front passenger seat, no? So in case the one sitting here want a bigger space, you can use that to control it. Okay, so okay, so what else can we see here? The aircon, the light, okay, sunroof, okay, sunroof, and there's the control for the aircon over here. Okay. One thing nice about this also is this one, no? So whether you are a small kid, you are a senior, you have this one helping you getting inside. I'm going around to the passenger side, on the other side also, and we will look at the look at this one from that angle. Okay, so there's a child lock here, so we will close this now. Okay, now we're on the other side again. Okay, and this time we're going inside and we're going to look at the space at the back. So if this seat, no, is closed down, you have a big cargo space. But if you're sitting 6 people, you have very small cargo space already. Okay, in between this one, you can open this. There's a way to put this down. I forget. Let me check. I always have difficulty moving this down. So now I see this one. No? You move this one and put it down. Okay, many people have difficulty here. That's why I take a video. Press this and push down. So let's open it. And let's close it. There's a cover, the what do you call it, sunscreen, no? So this is the air condition. Okay, there's a lamp here, and okay, I'm curious about this car, and you can have room light. Okay, and you could change the color. Okay, it's very bright now, so we can barely see the changing of the color. So depending on your mood, okay, you could change the color, you see. Okay, and you control it through here. The room light, you control it here. Air condition, thermostat, open close. Okay, so that's how you do it. You push it forward and you go inside. Okay, this is the way to go inside, no? You pull this and push this. Okay, I'm having a hard time with one hand. Okay, this one, control. Let's see. Okay, and this one here, okay, now let's put that back. Okay, now let's close it again and we will go in front. So there's a setting for the driver seat, 1, 2, 3 option, and okay, window monorail lock is here. Okay, and here's also the control for the automatic. Okay, and close open. Okay, there's a cup holder here. Automatic power seat, I should say. And let's look at the leather trim. Very nice leather trim. Okay, and this one you can open it here. Normally there's another one here, so you could open it that way. Okay, right. Okay, this is the control for the seat. Okay, so what else? Gas, engine, auto. Okay, power, rear off. Okay, and it's this one. There's a cup holder here. I thought it's push up, so I'm getting inside on the engine. So let's see what happened to the mid information display. Okay, and this is the stereo system, the entertainment system. Okay, now let's go back here and okay, this one has that yet in PDI. Look, it's blinking. The tire need additional pressure. So air, no? So this is the signal light, wiper, standard. This is the control for the steering wheel, no? A lot of control here, everything is here. Okay. And this is the control for cruise control is also here. Here, cruise control is here. But cruise control here, but the adaptive cruise control and the lane tracing assist is here. So these are the control. And then let's look at the stereo. Okay, aircon, a bit noisy, but I have to turn it on because it's too hot inside. Okay, automatic park brake. Okay, echo, control for the seat air condition, cigarette lighter. One thing interesting here is this one. Okay, this is already electronic. Look, I can control, I can move up, down. I can move to the left, to the right. I can tilt it. I can zoom it. Okay, there's a backlight. So this is already different, no? It's not a mirror already. It's a display already. Okay, and here is the control for the light. Okay, for the light, for opening the door. And then what else? Well, of course, there's a light for this one and the mirror. And let's look at the space. Not much space, only for document, no? And so that's it, no? For the inside of this Alphard. So we will shut down the engine and we will go out. So there you have it. This is the Alphard 2022 model. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.